The desert is one of the harshest environments on Earth. Blazing heat during the day, freezing cold at night, almost no water, no shelter. At first glance, the desert appears lifeless, but look closer, and you'll discover a hidden world of predators, venom, and survival tactics so extreme they seem almost unreal. In this environment, there is no room for weakness. Water is scarce, food is unpredictable, shelter is temporary. So desert animals have evolved into something different, something tougher, something faster, and often something far deadlier. Here, venom becomes stronger, ambushes become faster, and mistakes become fatal. These are the deadliest desert animals on Earth. The Deathstalker scorpion, the desert's venomous stinger. The Deathstalker scorpion is small, pale, and almost invisible against the sand. But its sting is anything but subtle. It lives in the deserts of North Africa and the Middle East, especially in sandy and rocky regions where temperatures can exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit. During the day, it hides under rocks or burrows to escape the heat. At night, it emerges to hunt. It typically grows between 3 and 4 inches long, with a slender body and a curved tail tipped with a venomous stinger. Its pale yellow color acts as natural camouflage, making it almost impossible to spot in the sand. The Deathstalker possesses one of the most potent venoms among scorpions. Its venom contains powerful neurotoxins that overstimulate nerve cells, cause intense pain, trigger muscle spasms, and in severe cases, lead to heart or respiratory failure. In remote desert regions, where hospitals may be hours away, a sting can become life-threatening. And because it hides under rocks, inside shoes, or beneath sleeping mats, many victims are stung accidentally. Its venom is being researched for potential cancer-fighting compounds. The Deathstalker's venom glows under ultraviolet light. Small, fast, and incredibly aggressive, the saw-scaled viper is responsible for more human deaths than almost any other snake. It lives in arid deserts and scrublands across North Africa, the Middle East, India, and parts of Southeast Asia. These snakes often live close to human settlements, increasing the chances of deadly encounters. Usually 1 to 3 feet long, with sandy, brown, or gray patterns that make them nearly invisible against desert terrain. Their venom is highly toxic and causes internal bleeding, tissue destruction, kidney failure, and sometimes death within hours. But their true danger lies in their behavior. Unlike many snakes that try to escape, saw-scaled vipers are highly defensive, quick to strike, and often active at night when people are walking barefoot. They create a sizzling sound by rubbing their scales together. Saw-scaled vipers are believed to cause more human fatalities than any other snake species. The Gila monster moves slowly across the desert floor, but speed isn't its weapon. Found in the Sonoran Desert of the southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico. It lives in rocky, dry regions, spending up to 95% of its life underground to avoid the heat. Growing up to 22 inches long, it has a thick body, bead-like scales, and striking orange and black patterns. The Gila monster is one of the few venomous lizards on Earth. Instead of injecting venom quickly like a snake, it bites down, locks its jaws, and chews venom into the wound. Its venom causes intense pain, swelling, nausea, weakness, and dangerous drops in blood pressure. It can store large amounts of fat in its tail for long periods without food. A Gila monster may eat only 3 to 4 large meals per year. Sidewinder rattlesnake, the desert striker. The Sidewinder is a master of the shifting sands. Habitat and location: deserts of the southwestern United States and northern Mexico, especially areas with loose, hot sand. Size: typically 1.5 to 2.5 feet long. Why it's deadly: its sideways movement reduces contact with the scorching sand and allows it to glide across dunes with ease. But the real danger lies in its strike. Sidewinders hide beneath the sand, leave only their eyes exposed, and strike prey in a fraction of a second. Their venom destroys tissue and disrupts blood flow. Fun fact: sidewinders leave distinctive J-shaped tracks in the sand. Did you know? They can strike and retreat before prey even realizes what happened. The desert horned viper is built for stealth. Meet the desert horned viper, the sand ambusher found in the deserts of North Africa and the Middle East. Up to 3 feet long, with small horn-like scales above its eyes. It buries itself beneath the sand, leaving only its eyes exposed. When prey passes by, it strikes instantly. Its venom causes severe bleeding, destroys tissue, and weakens the victim rapidly. Its horns help prevent sand from entering its eyes. Horned vipers can vanish beneath the sand in seconds. Despite the name, it is neither a camel nor a true spider. Meet the camel spider, the night hunter found in deserts across the Middle East, North Africa, and southwestern United States. Their size, up to 6 inches long, including legs. Why it's deadly? Camel spiders rely on powerful jaws, incredible speed, and nighttime hunting. They don't use venom. Instead, they slice prey apart with scissor-like mouthparts. Fun fact, they can sprint at speeds over 10 miles per hour. Did you know? Camel spiders often chase shadows, not humans, to stay cool. Next, we have the black mamba, the fastest killer found in dry savannas and rocky deserts of sub-Saharan Africa. Their size? Up to 14 feet long. Why it's deadly? The black mamba's venom attacks the nervous system, causing paralysis, respiratory failure, and death without treatment. It can strike multiple times, deliver large venom doses, and move at speeds up to 12 miles per hour. Fun fact, black mambas are among the fastest snakes on Earth. Did you know? Without treatment, a black mamba bite has an extremely high fatality rate. Desert centipede, the multi-legged hunter. Habitat, deserts of the American Southwest and northern Mexico. Size, up to 8 inches long. It uses venomous claws to inject toxins that paralyze prey, cause intense pain, and trigger severe swelling. They hunt at night, targeting insects, lizards, and even small rodents. They can attack prey larger than themselves. Their venom can immobilize a mouse within seconds. Kangaroo rat, the desert survivalist. Not every deadly desert animal uses venom. Found in the deserts of North America. With a size around 4 to 6 inches long, excluding the tail. Kangaroo rats are deadly, not because they hunt, but because they can fight back against some of the desert's most dangerous predators, including rattlesnakes. Why it's deadly in its environment. Kangaroo rats survive without drinking water. They extract moisture from seeds and use powerful hind legs to leap away from predators, kick snakes in mid-strike, and escape certain death. Their survival depends on speed and reflexes, and when threatened, they don't just run, they strike. Fun fact, they can jump over 9 feet in a single leap. Did you know? They can live their entire lives without drinking water. Found in the Sahara Desert and North Africa, about 9–16 inches long, with ears up to 6 inches, is the Fennec fox. Fennec foxes are deadly because they hunt like a living radar dish. Those massive ears don't just help them cool down, they act like amplified sensors that detect faint vibrations beneath the sand. A beetle shifting, a rodent breathing, a lizard twitching. The fox freezes, locks onto the sound, and then launches. The Fennec fox hunts insects, rodents, lizards, and birds. Its huge ears detect prey moving beneath the sand, while also helping it release body heat. Fun fact, Fennec foxes are the smallest fox species in the world. Did you know? Their ears help them stay cool and locate prey underground. In the desert, life is a constant battle. Water is rare, shade is precious, and mistakes are often fatal. To survive here, animals have become faster, more venomous, and perfectly adapted to extreme conditions. Because in the desert, nature doesn't reward the strongest, it rewards the deadliest.